From sunup to sundown, we hear their songs. But have you ever wondered who exactly is making all that noise? Finding the answer may be challenging, but the two free apps that we're exploring today can help you find out. Both are found in the App Store and Google Play. The Merlin Bird ID app from Cornell Labs asks you a few simple questions about the bird you'd like to identify: location, date, size, color, and behavior, and then provides you with a list of possible matches. Once you've found your bird, choose "This is my bird," and you're provided with species details and an audio recording of your bird's call. A fun feature of this app is the Photo ID option. I did find it a bit tricky to get a close-up of my backyard birds, though. The app also has a list of birds that you can just explore with maps, sounds, and information. I find the next app to be a little more fun than functional. Song Sleuth turns your phone or tablet into an automatic bird song identifier. The app identifies bird songs and more distinct calls that are characteristic of a certain species. It is an interactive and fun way to learn birding by ear. Simply press the record button when you hear a bird singing, and the app begins recording a few seconds back in time using the built-in microphone. Tap the record button again when the song is complete, and Song Sleuth immediately shows you the 3 most likely species. The app also has a species list with information provided from David Sibley's Bird Reference Guide. Included are illustrations, information, range maps, and songs. Both apps are simple to use and make bird watching fun. Have a family challenge and see how many birds you can identify today.